Homemade aloe vera hair mask. For stopping hair fall. In this video we are telling about the homemade aloe vera hair mask for hair fall. Aloe vera is nature's miracle plant with multiple benefits. Aloe vera reduces hair loss, makes hair thicken, healthier and shinier. It helps to clear dead skin cells and build up for a healthy scalp. How to use the aloe vera gel mask for hair fall at home. Aloe vera juice mask. Take the fresh aloe vera leaf and clean it with water and leave it the aloe vera leaf for overnight for leaving the yellow gel, because if we apply with the yellow gel we get reactions. Add 3 tablespoons aloe vera and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Deep clean scalp. And 1 to 2 drops of tea tree oil, dandruff remedy. Mix it well and apply the mask to your scalp. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before you rinse it off. Aloe vera onion mask. Cut an onion and blend it with little water to make a paste and add 2 tablespoons onion paste. Treat and prevent hair fall. And 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Mix it well and apply the mask to your hair and scalp. Massage it in and rinse it off after 30 minutes. Aloe vera oil mask. Take 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon black castor oil. Treats thinning hair. Mix it well and apply it on your hair and scalp. Leave it on for an hour or overnight and wash it off. Stay safe, happy life.